In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Doc. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Google Chrome browser, right? This is our search box. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on these dotted icons. Once I've clicked on it, I would scroll down. You see the docs here. Click on it. And for those who don't really understand or know what docs is, docs means document. That is Google document. So it would be a step-by-step full tutorial on how to use Google Docs. Now look at this. Once you open your Google Docs, you'll be displayed with some options. That is, you can create a blank document, you can create a resume, a letter, a project proposal, a brochure, or a report. So this is what you can get started with once you want to open your Google Docs. Then if you click on this main menu, you'll see there's the Google slide, there's the Google sheet, there's the Google form, there's the settings, right? So if you click on this template and gallery, you'll see some other templates you can use to create your own Google document or whatever. So so we're going to click on this blank document. So I'm going to show you how you can do things here on your Google Docs. This would basically be a step-by-step tutorial. If you click on this file button, from this file option, you can create a new document. You can create either a new document, a blank one, or you can select from the template. Then you can also make a copy of your blank document. You can share, let's say if you're done with typing something, you can share this document to others, or you can publish it to the web. Then this is the email address. You can email address this document. Like if you have written something here on your Google Docs, you can email address this document to either a file or collaborations or an email draft. Then you can download this as Microsoft Word, open document, rich text format, or anything you want to download here. You can rename this your Google document with this option. Then if you have typed something, you can come on here and move this to TRASH, right? Then this is the language. You can come on here, select any language of your choice. I'm using the English, United States, so you can come on here and pick any language you want to pick for yourself. Then the page setup. If you click on this, you can select the page size you want for your Google document. It can be tabloid, legal, statement, executive, folio. You can scroll down and pick the best of your choice, right? You can still come on here and adjust the margins if you want. So I think this is for the file. You can also print your Google document once you're done with it. Click on this print, you'll be displayed with a print setup option. You can either print it, okay, if you connect your printer, you can print it through the Microsoft, or you can save it as a PDF document. So I'm going to cancel this because I'm not printing this document right now. So the edit tab, you can use to undo, redo, you can copy and paste, right? Then the view tab, if you come on here, you can view your document in editing style, like you can edit it. If you click on this viewing now, you can be only able to view it, right? Look at it, editing. So that is for the view. You can show the ruler. If I click on this, you see my ruler is not showing again, right? If I click the show ruler, it would be showing now. If I click show equation toolbar, you can see it showing right now. If I come on here as well, I can off it. Then you can insert an image from a computer, from the search web, from a drive, from a photos, from a camera, from a URL. You can also insert a table. If you want to insert a table, you can do this as well with this option. You can also draw, right? You can draw in Google Drive. You can insert charts, bar, column, line, pie, anyone you want to insert. It's still possible here. You can also add emojis, some smart chips, like date, people, all these things. You can do a drop down, a footnote, a building block, an e-signature. But I think this is for premium, right? Then you can also attach the special characters, the equation, document tab, watermark. All these are available in this insert option. Then the format option, you can choose your text. It can be bold, italic, underlined, strike through, superscripted, subscripted. The align and indent, you can come on here, select any of them. The columns, the bullets, a whole lot of them are all here for you, right? You need to choose anyone you want to choose. Then for the tools, you'll be displayed with the spelling, word count, review, suggested edits, citations. All these are still available for you, right? The extension, you can add this. Then the help, if you have a problem, you can come on here and search the menus and everything will be displayed for you. Now is the basic thing you need to know. You can use this to undo a document, to redo, to print, to check spelling, grammars, and checks. Paint format, you can zoom your page. If I reduce it, if I increase it 125, if I reduce it to 75, it will reduce to 50. So you can use this to easily zoom your page. In the normal text, you can come on here, select any title you want to select, right, for your text and document. Then the text fonts, you can use Arial, any of this from the displayed options. You can pick any one of your choice you want to use. Then you can use here to increase the size of your text, right? If I come on here and type in HowTo, Control A to highlight. If I click on this, see I'm increasing my text automatically. I'm reducing my text. So if I click on this, I can change the text font, right, to whatever I want to change it to. So you can come on here, make it to be in italic, underline it, right? Come on here, change the color. Come on here, the highlight color. Then you can insert a link if you want to insert a link. So I think this, you can join a call as well if you want to join a call, right? You can come on here, if you want to share, if you have typed in this and you want to share this document, you click on this share. You can copy the link, right? You can copy the link and share it to your friends. So this is basically how you can use Google Docs. If you have any questions, ensure and share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm really glad to know if this video helped you guys out. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and let me know the kinds of videos you love to watch more in this channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the very next one.